Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on CapCut PC on Mac. So as you can see, I have created two projects, so I'm going to delete this. Now go to trash and then again delete. So now it will be deleted permanently. Now I'm going to settings. On the top right corner here you will see setting gear icon. Just click on that and then click on settings. Now on the bottom here you will see the cache size, so you can remove this. Just click on trash and then click on OK. So the cache is removed, and then you can set up auto delete cache from here. So you can choose the time. So I am gonna choose 15 days. After 15 days it will automatically delete. After that click on save, and that's how you can clear cache on your CapCut PC on Mac. Hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching.